Welcome to Megamation Direct Line Training. This video will look at using the search function on two commonly used screens. Many of the techniques explained here pertain to other searches throughout the system. The equipment search shows up in this form on multiple screens, such as equipment entry, PM procedure entry, and work order screens. There are two types of searches, index search and hierarchical. To use the index search, enter one or more criteria and hit OK to display a list of equipment that matches that criteria. To enter criteria, either type in the fields or click the magnifying glass next to a field and choose from the list. This example will use the class field for searching. Since class is a mandatory field on the equipment, this is a good field to search by. Click the magnifying glass and choose a class, in this case, conveyor. Hitting OK shows all the conveyors in the system. To search within this list, click Search at the bottom and enter a word to search by. For example, roller. And hit Find Now. With this equipment highlighted, hit OK. The equipment is displayed in the equipment entry screen. Another option is to add more criteria on the equipment search screen. Searching by the conveyor class showed 63 equipment. Hit the last criteria button to go back to that search. Now add a criteria to narrow down the list. For example, click the magnifying glass next to building and select the building. Another option would be to type in the location field. In this example, type sauce. Then use the radio buttons on the right to choose containing. The results will now show conveyors in building plant, where the word sauce is in the location. Hit OK. Choose from the list of equipment and hit OK. To use the hierarchical search, hit the hierarchical radio button. The view changes considerably. In the pane on the left is listed the equipment hierarchical structure. Drill into the hierarchy by clicking the plus signs. Highlight an equipment in the left pane to see it and its children listed in the pane on the right. Highlight an equipment in the pane on the right and hit OK. This work order search can be found on the work order request, planning, completion, and processing screens and is used to find existing work orders. To use this search, enter one or more criteria and hit OK to show a list of work orders that match that criteria. For example, to show only preventative maintenance work orders, hit the magnifying glass next to Type and select the PM types. Now hit OK. And hit OK, the displayed list will be all of the PM work orders in the system. To narrow down this list, add more criteria to the search. Hit Last Criteria to fill in the last search. Add a status filter to show only open work orders. Hit the magnifying glass next to Status, and from the list, choose Closed and Cancelled. Then hit OK. Now from the radio buttons on the right, choose Not Equal To. Hit OK. Now the displayed list is all PM work orders that are not closed and canceled. Narrow it even further with a third criteria. Hit Last Criteria to get the last search. In the equipment number field, type compressor. Now from the radio buttons, choose containing and hit OK. The list now shows PM work orders that are not closed or canceled and where the equipment number contains the word compressor. Another way to filter is using the date criteria. There are 4 date filters available: completion, labor, creation, and due dates. For any of these date fields, enter a from and a to date by clicking the drop-down and double-clicking on a date in the calendar. Hit OK to see all work orders created in September. Enter just the to date to see all work orders created before September 30th. Enter just the from date to show all work orders created after September 1st. To learn more about searching on these or any other screens, call support at 1-800-344-8655.